Hello colleagues, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your students using the unilynq platform, a platform designed for students to access their results and also for teachers to upload student results and have communication with the students. So in this video you will learn how to register students for your course, especially for the elective subject teachers. So all you need to do is to get a device, a smartphone or a PC. But in this video I am using my personal laptop. So on my laptop I have a browser, so you just need to open a very good browser. In this case I want to use Opera Mini, so I will just open my Opera Mini, which I've already opened. So the next step is to just input your address, which we all know is zionshs.unilynq.com. so zionshs.unilynq.com. If you see, as I started typing, it suggested it means I've used it before, so I just have to press enter, and with a very good network it's going to take me to the dashboard. Because I used it before and then I saved the password with this browser, so it took me straight to my dashboard. And they always give us a notification in this form. This one is saying simplify your work and reduce data consumption using the unilynq app. They are encouraging us to use the app rather in order to reduce data consumption. So when you come here, this is what you see, my profile showing and with my personal details. Now you come to this side of the web page, the dashboard, where you can see my account profile, app status and this thing. What you have to do is come under the menu dashboard where you can find teacher modules. So you click on teacher modules and it opens and gives us some other suggestions, which we have teacher console, notice board and calendar. But we want to do registration, so we will go to teacher console. You click on teacher console and it is loading, and then it takes us to this page where you can find class attendance and all this, previous lesson, current lesson and all these things. But scroll down and you find lessons, assessments, and where you can find the assessment templates, Excel, whether to download or upload. But for now I am showing you how to register your student. So when you come to this page, you will see the classes that you teach. So these are my classes, and I teach economics, and these are the classes. So in these classes you will find the class list. Now for the electives, you need to select and register the specific students that are offering or that are reading your elective subjects. But for the core subjects, you only need to straightforward get the class list and then register all students. So for electives, I want to register a class like this. Now this is what you do. You click on more. Now don't go to register students straight. You have to go to manage lesson exceptions. This is what is going to help you to get the specific student that are reading your subject. So you click on manage lesson exceptions. This is now, before I started the video, I visited the page, and because I wanted to do something so easy for myself, because the class list, we have large number of students here, and then looking through one after the other is going to waste time. So what I did was I click on it, that is I move out all. Yes, I move out all. So you are now finding, you can now see out here, so that it will be easy for me. Previously they put in all students, and then this is a large number, because I wanted the work to be easy for me. So what I would do is, now When you click on this, that means this student is part of your class. So when it is red, it means it is not part of your class. Green means part of your class. So this is what you do. In order not to waste your time scrolling through to locate the name of the student, we have the search engine here where you can search the student by name or by ID. So I think the name would be what easier than the ID, searching by ID. So I have my student here that I will register out of this class list. So simply I want to register the student by name, say Precious Manley. So what you do is you can just start by pressing Precious. Okay, you click in the search engine and then you start pressing Precious, and it's going to suggest all those having the name Precious. So the name is Precious Manley and she's part. So just click on in. You see, so simple. Then my next person is Priscilla Nyaledoma Abina. So I can type in Nyaledoma so that it will be easy. Nyale. Okay, the student is not showing. So let me go to Abina and see. Abina too is not showing. Priscilla. Priscilla is not showing. That means the name is not in the system. So let me go to the next thing. I have here Tete Enoch. What is happening? Let me type Richard. Richard is also not part of the class. Wow. So let me go to Ofori Cecilia Ofori. Yeah, Cecilia Ofori is part of the class, so you just have to register here. Then the next person is Coxon Paul. Yeah, Coxon Paul is also part. So you just have to register. Then I have Folligan Christine. Folligan Christine Folly. So Folly, yeah, Christine Canley. She's also part, and you register. So when you are done, what you have to do is to click on Save Changes. Save Changes. You have to click on Save Changes. Yes, so they will give you a notification that changes successfully made. Okay, student taking economics lesson in one business A having was shipped successfully. So if you want to be sure, just go click more. Okay, then now you have now managed the lesson reception. So these are the students. So you now go to what? Register students. Register students. So they are now asking, are all students in the one business A class taking your economics taking your economics lesson? Now, because you have managed lesson, you have to go to yes, proceed. So you see the notification is saying that what? 8 students in one business A have been registered successfully for economics. You see? Okay. So these are the students that I have successfully registered who are reading economics, and then they are in one business A. Paul Coxon and Octete Malagorogo, Monica, and Cecilia Fufori. So these are your students. These are the registered students for economics in one business A. So when you are done, you check everything is there, class mark, exam mark, total, grade, and distance. So all these things will be formed in the Excel. So I will show you that in the next video, how to download the template Excel and do your assessment and then upload. So since this is correct, I've registered only 8 students, so we close it. So that means for the one business A, that is it. So you can check the registered student list too. Registered student list. Yeah, this is the registered student list. Okay, we have the class marks with 30% in exam, 70%. Since I've not input any marks, they all have F9, F9. Okay, so you can surf the web and then learn more. You can go to class list 2 and see what is going to pop up here. So yes, this is the class list for the entire business 1A, so you can check. So those in red are not part of your class. Those in green are the students that you registered taking economics. Yes. Yeah. So yeah, is it. So you close. So guys, colleagues, this is the first part of the video, how to register students successfully